Okay, I just bought a set of these Honeywell LED motion sensor lights. Comes in a 3-pack, and basically I'm going to put them in my basement. You can use them indoor or outdoor as well. They're not very bright, but they're very energy efficient. A set of 3 AA batteries can last you 25 hours. So these lights can be linked together. There's a link button on top. When you press it, it will turn red. And you do that on each of the lights, and the whole set will be linked together. So when one goes on, the other would go on too. Right, just like that. So they can be in different areas as long as the signal reaches the second or the third light, it will turn on by itself. So I'm just making a hole here with my soldering iron so I can have access to the charging board so the job would look a little better. So I put some masking tape there so it will look a little neater on the bottom of the charging board there too. So I essentially eliminated the battery compartment of the light, and then this part here goes on like this. This part goes on to the wall and then goes this side up against the wall. You screw in the wall anchors, and then when you try to hang the light, you just go like that. Like that, and the light is hung on the wall. Right. So that's it. Now you can take it down and charge it every few months. And if you think one battery is not enough, you can parallel another 18650 to make the light last longer.